Welcome student to class 7th, subject physics. Today we are discuss about chapter 4, unit 1st, light and journal terms used in understanding light. What is light? Light is an invisible energy which causes in us the sensation of vision. Speed of light. Light travels at a very fast speed, that is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. It means that the speed of light is 3 lakh kilometer per second. Sources of light. Now you can ask, what gives us light? It is the luminous object that can emit light of their own, such as sun, lighting, electric bulb when it is switched on, and etc. Sun is the primary source of light for the planet Earth. It is a huge ball of burning gases which gives out tremendous amount of heat and light energy. Light source can be natural, coming from the sun, or artificial, coming from a light bulb or candle. Difference between luminous and non-luminous objects. What is luminous objects? All objects which can emit light energy by themselves are called luminous objects. For example, sun, light bulbs, etc. And what is non-luminous objects? The objects which cannot emit light energy of their own but reflected the light energy falling on them and hence become visible are called non-luminous objects. Non-luminous objects are those which cannot emit light of their own, such as moon, chair, painting, etc. Ray and beam. What is ray of light? The path along which the light energy travels in a given direction is called a ray of light. It is so by a straight line. And what is beam of light? A collection of a large number of rays of light is called a beam of light. There are three kinds of beam of light. First, parallel beam of light. Second, divergent beam of light. And third, convergent beam of light. First, what is parallel beam of light? When a large number of rays are parallel to each other, they are called a parallel beam of light. Second, what is divergent beam of light? When the rays of light starting from a point travels in various directions, the collection of such rays is called a divergent beam of light. And third, what is convergent beam of light? When rays of light coming from different directions meet at a point, such a collection of rays is called a convergent beam of light.